we're going to solve this problem for theta. So you take a look here. What we have, two right angle triangles joined together. This indicates that this is a right angle. And right here, this indicates that this is a right angle. And they're sharing the same hypotenuse. How do we know it's a hypotenuse? It's the longest side of the triangle. We also know that because it's opposite side from the 90-degree angle. So we know from using Pythagoras Theorem that C represents the hypotenuse. And then we know that C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. We also know that A and B are interchangeable. So if we take a look at the lower triangle, let's try to find the hypotenuse. And so if we say A then is 5 cm, and we say B then is 7 cm, then we could go to the formula. We could say C squared is equal to 5 squared plus 7 squared. Of course, you can pause this video right here and work this out yourself, see if we get the same answer. What we are going to end up with then is that C squared is equal to 74. And when we square both sides to find C, we're going to find out then that C is 8.6 cm. 8.60 if we want to go to 2 decimal places. So now we know that this is 8.60 cm. And quick check, the hypotenuse has to be longer than either of the other sides. So, okay, we're on the right track. Okay. So what we want to do now is we want to flip this. We want to flip this so that 8.60 represents the hypotenuse for this triangle over here. And 3 cm represents then the opposite. If you can tell from theta, this is the opposite. So once we do that, what we have then is the opposite is equal to 3 cm. And we know the hypotenuse then is equal to 8.6 cm. And so that should tell us that we're going to be using sine. Okay, so we're looking for theta. And so what we know then is that the sine of theta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. And so theta then is equal to the arc sine of that ratio. And so theta then is equal to the arc sine. Opposite is 3 divided by 8.60. And once you do that, you want to go 2 decimal places. And we're going to get 22.41 degrees. So as you can see, it wasn't that much of a challenge. As long as we took this thing piece by piece, we should have been fine. Other videos in this and other series are available. Like, share, and subscribe if you found the video helpful. If there's a topic you'd like to see us tackle, just let us know.